My friend, today's topic is very interesting topic. It's a wave scrapping topic. All right. I hope you guys have learned in your Python session. If not, then just a recap session, my friend. Some of the batch, if they have attended my class, some of the batch I have covered it. But I'm not teaching Python, so I don't know whether you guys have learned or not. But it's mandatory topic. You have to know it. All right. Uh, wave scrapping.
Sir, I have not been taught describing in Python side. Is there any
Okay.
separate section for it?
Oh, no problem. Then just attend my class 2 day session today and tomorrow. Hopefully,
Okay.
most of the things you will do it. But still, in future, if I'll pick some more project like real estate project. How you will go in a website like Magic Breaks, no brokers, 99 acres, right? I'll show you how you will go and fetch all the data. And similarly, you can go and make my trip, easy trip. You can fetch all the data and you can analyze it, that what would be the price of the flight, when the available is there, all this thing you can analyze it. So in future I will do it. When I do time series forecasting, you will see that time also I will leverage. Okay, when you see some other real estate project, marketing project, I'll use it. So as in when you attend the session, you will able to understand. But these 2 days, right, today and tomorrow, it's a foundation. You will able to understand most of the thing. And this is for everyone, guys. If you have attended, not attended, no need to worry. Okay, these 2 sessions will help you a lot. Sounds good, everybody? Can you please use chat window, say yes, no? Yeah, okay, super, very good. Silpa ma'am, just unraise your hand. It's keep coming in my eyes. Perfect. I can see many more hand raised there. Karthik, please unraise your hand. Okay. Vanilla, Dhanush, unmuted. Any questions you can ask? Rishi.
Good evening. The messages which we are doing is coming to you only. We can't see everyone's messages. It's not given the option to everyone. The message,
Everyone in the sense?
in the sense, when we message, there is an option either everyone or host and panelist. The option
Uh-huh.
is coming to host and panelist only, not everyone. So we can't see if someone asks some question or something. If we want
Okay.
to see what is there, and
I'm just doing it.
yeah,
Just let me say everyone. Can you see now?
yeah, sir.
It's
Thanks.
working?
Yeah,
Perfect.
it's working. Thank you.
No problem.
Sir, one more thing I want to ask about the web scraping. Today we
Hmm.
are going to learn how we have to do web scraping,
Correct.
foundation for the web scraping.
Hmm.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Not foundation, will real-time dataset also we will do.
Okay,
Because
that's
it's a project batch, no? So
yeah.
foundation, ideally you should learn in Python batch. If not, then first session I'll take a foundation. Second, and maybe today or tomorrow I'll pick the real-time case study.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Guys, I can see lots of hand. I don't know why you guys are asking. Just you wanted to unmute you. If that's the reason, then please hold it. No need to raise hand, guys. Whenever you have doubt, I'm keep looking your chat also, keep looking your hand, you raised it, so you can ask then. Okay, don't do right now. Danus, if no questions, just unraise it. When you have a question, when I start, you can raise hand, I will unmute you. Okay, you can ask question. Same for Sivani, you as well. All right, I don't think you have any questions now. Danus, you have? Go ahead, unmute it. You are not unraising your hand.
No, sir, no doubts yet.
Then unraise your hand, no? Guys, 110 participant there. Please understand why the wave session happened. Because if everybody asks question, then I will not complete the class also, right? That's the intention only. Shivani, what is your doubt?
Sir, it is not related to web scraping, just one question about the metrics. So in
Can
a
you
class,
ask in later session, or maybe you can ping me in LinkedIn, because this is only 4 hour session.
I get it,
Okay,
sir.
so I
So I have
wanted to
already
complete.
pinged you on LinkedIn actually.
So maybe I'm
Then
not getting them. Just write in caps letter reminder. Okay, if I'm not
sure,
right,
sir.
just say I'll get
Sure.
time. I'll check it.
I'll do it. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. My dear friends, shall we start, everybody? Okay, cool. So my first question is, what is wave scrapping, guys? Okay. Question number 1, you can ask, what is wave scrapping? Question number 2, why are we doing it? Why are we doing it? What is the purpose? And question number 3, whether it's ethical or unethical. Okay. So these 3 questions you can ask first, and then you have to go ahead. My friend, I'm just using very simple examples. You will able to understand what is wave scrapping. So wave scrapping is nothing. You can say you are going, you are collecting information from website. Okay, what is wave scrapping? Just you are going on any particular website and you are taking information. Which information? Which is publicly available. Okay, which is publicly available, that you have to gather all the information for your analysis purpose. That's why we are doing the wave scrapping, right? So instead of using your hands, or you can use special tools, or you can just create your own API, and then you have to gather all the data set, you can labeling them. It's very tough task, very hard job, right? To do the data acquisition part and all. Why not? The data is publicly available, we can go and extract the data from that particular source, and then we have to work it. That is what the wave scrapping is. Simple, guys, my dear friend. Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very simple.
So what
Any
is
website
API,
you
sir?
can go. API means lots of, sometime what happen, you will create your own API. So there you will get image, and you can take their, the har cascade file and all. You have to gather and you can label them. And then you can say, okay, this is my 1 feature, feature 2, feature 3, feature 4, like that. So that part I don't want to do it. Rather, you can create your own API and all. Why not? We can leverage and we can utilize the beautiful soup and all. API is nothing, it's a tool, my friend. API means you have created a tool by the help of Python or any other tool. It's called application programming interface. So you have written your own program, right, by the help of Python or by the help of Java or different languages, and you can set a rule and you have to create a protocol, and then by the help of API you are extracting the data, you are gathering the data. So it's a tough job. Why I'm saying tough job? Because we need human being who will perform it, right? We need a man works who will write a code, who will do all the training, testing, and then they have to do the production and all. So why we have to do so and so much effort when we already have a data available? Understood, everyone? So in a nutshell, if anybody say what is wave scrapping, you can say wave scrapping is nothing. The website where information is already available, I have to go and fetch that data in my system, in my Python notebook, Jupyter notebook, and then we have to analyze it basis my requirement, and we have to perform it. That is what is called wave scrapping. So in real time, what happened, guys, when you get a job, my dear friend, as a data scientist or data analytics or data scientist, the first job is called data acquisition. Data acquisition. Okay, what is data acquisition, guys? Gathering information, gathering data set for performing or building a model, doing EDA, doing all kind of things. So first part is data acquisition. Now, data acquisition has a broadly 2 parts. One is data is, or in fact, I can say 3 parts. Data is available. You can say, yes, data is available with us. Data is available, right? But not with our organization. Organization means you have data available on social website, right? Some other source. And data available means you are very lucky, right? Mostly if you work in MNC and all, you will get data. Okay, you will get a shared drive. You have a dedicated client, they will share their data, past 10 years, 5 years, like that. And then accordingly you have to go and perform it. So you are lucky, data is available. Here also two parties there. One, data is available on your table. Okay, you are very lucky, you have a shared drive, you have a data is available. Most of the case like that only happen. When you communicate to your client, your stakeholder, you will ask them that please provide the data, because your title is data analytics or data scientist, but you will not generate the data. So you can ask them, they will provide you a data, and then you have to perform it. You can do pre-processing, EDA, visualization, right? Model building, um, then evaluation metrics, then deployment. All these things you have to do it. Sometime what happened, data is available with your organization, but it's not there in your shared drive. It's there with other department. Okay, maybe the big data Hadoop team there. We have a dedicated Hadoop team there. They are storing all the data. Maybe we have operations team there. Maybe we have a DevOps team there. We have a DevOps engineers there, right? Some different department there. That time, guys, you have to go and communicate with them, explain why you need this data set, which variable you need, because they have a billions of data available, right? Which data you need it, what is the reason, what is the business impact, right? Why you are looking for it. So maybe some approval required, you can go to your BAU head and you can take their approval. Similarly, on that department, you can go there, vice president, you can take their approval and then ask them, that engineers, that please provide me this data set. You have to set up a call, or if not possible, you have a change manager teams, you can approach them and ask them that, boss, these are the information I needed, but this is not available with us, this is available with different departments, so can you please provide it. This is part is called lucky part. If you guys are very lucky, 90% time this is happening. Sometime if you get a job in a startup company and all, and not only a startup, in other organization also, you will see MNC also, data is not available at all, either in your shared drive with your stakeholder or with the other source. What they will do, they can say, can you go on the social website and fetch the data, and then accordingly you have to make a business plan, you have to give me. Then guys, you have to know the web scraping. Okay, that is why I say it's a mandatory part, you have to know it. Third party's data is not available. So in this case, it's neither with social website not available. Then guys, you have to use data augmentation concept. Maybe in future you will learn data augmentation, how you will create one data to 1,000 data or millions of data. That is possible. Okay, so especially you will see the image processing, audio processing, right? Video and all, you can easily capture, and by the help of API, you have to create your own data. Or you have, if you have a good networking, you can check with someone that where I will get the data and all. Rarest case this is happening, but these are very usual case. Possibility is 90% time you will get a data. 10% time they may ask you that you can go in the social website and fetch the data, and then you have to perform it. Clear guys, data acquisition rule, everybody? What is web scraping? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Why we are doing it? Are you clear? Because data is not available with our organization. So I need the data so that I have to perform. So you have to go in the social website and fetch the data. That is why we need the data set, because without data, you cannot do anything. You are handicapped. Okay, so you need data, only then you have to perform. You can say what would be the prediction, no, anything they ask you, you will able to tell them. The big question is whether it's ethical or unethical. This is the main questions there. Mostly your interviewer asks you this question: have you done any web scraping job? Right? You can say yes, I did it. Then they ask you whether it's a ethical or unethical job. Right? Now, whenever someone asks you this question, guys, don't give a straightforward answer. You can say it's ethical or unethical. You always say, it depends. You just think about, I'm just taking one simple example. Let's say, imagine you go to a market to buy a fruit. Okay, now what is the meaning of ethical web scraping is You can just walking around the market, looking at the product that openly display for everyone, right, to see this. There are certain fruits there, apple, guava, banana, orange, right? These are the things there. Now what happened, guys? That is available, you can go ask, right? Can I, what is the price there? Can you give me 1 kg, 2 kg, like that you have to ask them, right? What type of fruits we have, what type of vegetable we have, and you are just discussing, you are asking them, can I get this one? So you are getting a insight, you are getting a data. Okay, means, okay, this fruit, apple, their price is this, banana price is this, mango price is this, like that you will ask it. That is called ethical work, because they are giving a permission, right? Openly they put the fruits and vegetable so that you can see and then you can ask it. That is called ethical work. Unethical work, guys, you are neither asking their permission that how much you need it, you have just taken in your bag, and you are not giving money also or nothing. No, you are just thinking they have not seen it. It's called unethical job. Okay, wave scrapping means they have not given a permission at all, right? The data is also not openly there in the market, they have put in the basket, and that basket is actually, it's closed, they have not opened it. But without their consent, without their permission, you just go and take this. Okay, that is called unethical work. Simple layman term, definition is. So please remember, whether that is ethical or unethical, you have to ask question the permission. You can say, do we have permission or not? Okay, do we have permission from the website owner to scrap their content or not? I'll show you a couple of website, guys, where they have not given a permission. Okay, if you go in the website, when you extract this, you will see permission denied. So first you can check whether they have given permission or not. Yeah. Second part is, guys, you have to respect their term and condition also. Okay, you have to respect for terms of services. One, like you guys have remember copyrights. Yeah, we are not supposed to copyrights other contents. That is also illegal things, unethical work. So similarly, if they have not given a permission, it's not publicly available. Even they, publicly available also there, but if you want to copy paste, they are not allowing you to copy paste. Okay, you have seen some PDF, guys. In PDF also this is something happened. They put a locker, you cannot copy paste their PDF. Yeah, of course there are some apps there you can ask, but on that app also, if they ask something, some conditions they have given, you are not supposed to do it, right? Third question you can ask, the purpose. You can ask questions from yourself. What are the purpose we have? Are we, are you scrapping data for legitimate purpose, such as research or personal use, such as learning purpose, or are you scrapping the data for malicious reason, for criminal reasons, for doing some, to making a cutthroat competition in the market so that you can get their data and you can, let's say it's a stock market price data set, you just hack their website, you have taken their data, and what would be the price there? Are you doing this part? If yes, then unethical job. So you have to be clear about the purpose also. If you are doing for learning purpose, you are doing for research purpose, or data is permission is given that anybody can take the data, then my friend, if you are doing it, well and good. It's an ethical job. It's not unethical job. Are you guys with me? So you have to remember whether permission is given or not, whether we are respecting their services, term of services or not. What is the purpose there, right? And if they have not given a permission, but then also you are using some other techniques, right? My friend, first thing first, I will not teach you how to hack their data. Hacking course is not there, right? This web scrapping, I'm not going to teach you hacking part. Okay, so please remember, I will not teach you that how you can go and hack their website and fetch the data. Okay, that part is not there. So here, please remember, if you are doing unethical job, there is a consequence impact there, guys. Consequent impact there. Okay. Is your scrapping causing harm to a website or its users, right? Such as overloading services with too many requests, or sometimes no, you can say their real data, right? They have, that is for internal purpose, you have hacked it. So you will reveal this, right? Their company may lose the, the confidence. They may lose some other term of conditions, you can say, we are breaching their confidentiality. So that part, they are authorized to take a legal action against you, against your organization. Okay, so please remember, whenever you do web scraping, ask question whether permission is given or not. Okay, permission is given. So how you will see that? You can just extract the data. If you are getting some response called 200 response, means they have given a permission. If you are getting 400 something, 430, 403 like that, that means permission is denied. You don't have permission, guys. You are not supposed to do it, right? Or why they have put that condition? Because so many candidates, they are going on their website, and because multiple users attacking their website, because it's a publicly available, their website may get down. So that time also they are putting some conditions that you are not supposed to take their information. Yeah, so you have to check all part, and then accordingly you have to go. Yeah, so anybody asks you whether it's ethical or unethical, you can simply ask from yourself, are we doing for learning purpose, research purpose, or are we doing intentionally to take their sensitive data? Whether they have not given a permission, you will get the answer, and you can say whether it's ethical or unethical. If learning purpose, research purpose, ethical. If you are doing anything else apart from that, unethical, guys. I hope you are with me, everybody. Let me see the chat window. Everyone saying yes. DK Suman, it also depends about the web scrapping policy or economic case. Yeah, exactly. Yes, DK Suman, it depends. Everybody is saying yes, yes. Super cool. What that 200, 400? Sir, I'll write a code. I'll show you, my friend. When 200 response code will come, no, that means you are authorized to extract the data. If something else will come, that means they are not giving permission. Why they have not given permission? Because maybe lots of candidates, they are reaching to their website, and that's why they are reluctant to give this. All my friend. Now you can say in real time where you will use it, guys. Imagine you are a data scientist, my friend, and your job is to analyze data to help solve problem or make decision. All right. Sometime what happened, guys, since you are a data scientist and data is not readily available, okay, just give me a minute, my friend. I'm taking water also. As I told you, I'm not feeling well. I have a throat problem today. So what I said, guys, let's say data is not available, right? Readily available. So your organization may ask you that you can take data from the different website. Maybe that is available in the internet, on the different website, social website and all. In such scenario, web scrapping become handy because data is already available. Only thing, your skill set. You can just go use the brilliant package called Beautiful Soup and request package and extract all the data in your system. And the data came in my system. It's very easy for me. I can convert into table. I can convert text to vector, number, and then I can easily build a model by the help of NLP, machine learning algorithm, deep learning algorithm. I can easily do it. Okay. So in this case, guys, you have to do it now. Where you will do it? Let's say, my friend, you are competitive analysis. You are doing a competitive analysis. Let's say, what would be the product offering? Let's say Amazon. How many products are there? What are the price given? What is the customer review is given, right? In this case, guys, And who are the competitor there? So in India, you can say Amazon and Flipkart. They are the competitor, or Walmart, or similarly some other company there, right? In China, we have different companies there. So you can go and fetch the data, and then you have to analyze it. What is the price Amazon providing for that particular phone, or what Flipkart and what other website is giving it? So in this case, guys, you have to do web scraping. Let's say you are a market intelligence. Okay, so what you do, you can extract the data by the help of web scraping, right? You can go on the new channel, you can extract the data set. You can go in the social media, let's say you can go in Twitter, you can go in Instagram, you can go in Facebook and extract the data. Let's say we have election there in May, right? May, April or May, I think 2-3 months later. Who will win the election? BJP or Congress? Congress, I can say India, right? Who will win the election? NDA or India? Alliances. How you will know that? So what you do as a data scientist, your role is not to conclude, okay? You can say that who will win and who is your favorite and all. Nobody is interested to know this part. You can always speak with the fact, guys. So what you do, you can go in the Twitter, you can go in the Instagram, you can go in the LinkedIn, you can go in the Facebook, extract all the data wherever there is a campaign going on. You can see what is there. You can just write, right? This is also called crowding the information, gathering information from crowd. So you can just mention something and you can say who will win the election this time. You have seen lots of people, they are putting on the Facebook, and there are thousands of reviews there, and they are giving, putting their sentiment that who will win, why they will win it, what is the reason they are putting it, like that. You extract all the data and then you can analyze, right? How many positive review you are getting from party 1 and how many review you are getting for party B. And then you have to give a feedback where the negative things there, that also you can tell them to your business boss. These are the things there, negative things getting, we are receiving from you. So you have to change the, their mindset. So you can just do some different campaign and all, so that they can convince your thought process and all. So like that, guys, all the, this time lots of data scientists, they are hiring because of this reason only. So lots of freelancers there, they are doing this job. Okay, so that time also you have to do it. Next is called content aggregation, guys. I wanted to gather the content. Yeah, it's very hard for me to take a data, we have to write it, we can read a book, and then I have to take a content and all. Or you can say it's a very hard for me to read a research paper and then we can take it, because research paper is very difficult. The PhD student or the researcher, they are writing their own language, right? Very difficult language they are using it. Reason is they have done all the journey, all the work, everything they mentioned there. So it's very hard for us to directly go and absorb everything from research paper. So normally what you do, you can go in the different website, take some information, and then you have to create your own content, so that nobody can claim that it's a copyright issue, right? You have to mix it. Similarly, guys, you are in an education sector, you are just making a academic research work. So what you need, you often need to collect the data from academic journal, publications, online database, right, for studies or experiment purpose. So that time also you can go and do the web scraping. Okay, there are tons of examples there, my friend, that we have to do, and we can take the data set. All right, so this is what overview, guys, I have given this. I can give many more example also. So maybe when I pick more project, I'll tell you that whether you can do a web scraping or not, and where you can take the data. One of the best example is called COVID, guys. When COVID came, everybody is interested to know, right? In India, which city, which state, which district, which village maximum impacted there, even which area also. And government is declaring, no, which area is a red alert area, yellow alert area, like that you have noticed, guys. Right, country wise also you are interested, and new channel, no, they are saying that which country, how much cases there, how many people they have affected by the COVID, how many people they are in quarantine, how many people they recovered it, how many people died on that particular country. All information you are getting it. Can I say everything is available in the social website, guys? Wave scrapping is huge demand or not, my friend? In fact, we have also done the wave scrapping that time, and I will, one of the case study there, guys, I'll teach you as well. Okay, so you can go in the website and you can go here and you can just type here worldometer COVID data set. See, this is the worldwide data set, guys. Anybody can go and they can take the data set. Okay, anybody, they can go and take the data set. You can see coronavirus cases, that much total cases happen by view by the country. You can click this country and you can see entire, country wise data is given. So what is the overall world wise total cases happen? How many new cases happen, guys, till yesterday? How many total death happen? How many total new death happen? How many total recovered there? How many new recovered there? How many active cases there? How many serious cases there? What is the total cases per million population, right? In 1 million means 10 lakh cases. How many total cases happen? So this is 90,000 out of 10 lakh. That is what happened. Death per million population. So when you say 10 lakh, 895 death happened. So this is the country wise detail given. US is the number 1 position. India is the number 2 position. But we have seen, no, India is claiming that I am the best, top 10 impacted country. I'm the best one, right? Where people less, they died. On which basis they are saying this? Here in this world, if you see all 216 country, how many countries there? I think 231. So some other thing also they mentioned. So just think about how many countries there, 216, 17. Out of this, why India is claiming that the COVID management we did better than any other country? What is the reason? Is it fact or just a publication, right? Just a propaganda, or is it really fact? Like Chinese, if you see the Chinese, guys, actually it came from there. I hope you heard the first cases happening December 2022, right? 2022, sorry, 2019, right? And you can see China is 92 position, guys. Is it true that only 5 lakh 3,302 cases happen, guys? Where India is saying, USA is saying that much cases. Is it true? You can just think about. India is saying we have, how many cases you can see, and they are only claiming 92,000. Right here we are saying 4 billion data set, guys. 4 crore 50 lakh 26,753 cases happen. In fact, USA is saying 11 crore 95 9 lakh 52,000, that much cases happen. So we have to go by this data set. You can extract the data because it's very hard for us, right? If anybody give you a task that country wise, you can give me the data, where you will take it? Do you need wave scrapping or not, guys? I have to extract all the data, and on that basis you have to predict if the government, they will not control this, right? They will not take a proper measurement, right? Proper action and all. There would be chances is more weird, more fearful. Lots of institute, organization, that time you have heard, they have published that if this country will not control, chances is very, very worst. So here in this case, my friend, this is real-time case, real-time case study. Similarly, you can go in the worldometer, and there are some other data set also there. You can just say worldometer. You can see worldometer, and here you can go worldometer, real-time world statistics. You can see, guys, what is the so many information: current world population, birth of this year, birth today, death this year, death today, how many death happened, right? You can see government and economics data set. You can see here society and media data set, environment data set, right? Food data set, right? Water data set, energy data set. So any sector you are interested, health sector, you can go and fetch the data, and then accordingly you have to go and perform it, guys. Because these information, it's very, very hard for any organization, any government also to capture it. So there is a platform there where all country or WHO or they are providing it. You can go and fetch the data and then perform it. Okay, so one of the case study, guys, I will pick here also, and I'll show you how you will go fetch all the data, and then you have to If you know time series forecasting, you can just build forecasting and say, if the management would be not fine, the worst cases happen. Like that, you can do it. Now, of course, you will get a positive response because almost all the country it's nullified. Yeah, but we will do it. Guys, are you with me till now? Shall I pick a case study? Can I help you, guide you how we'll do it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Death per million is lower for India. Yeah. Because we have more populations. India is known for demographic country, guys. So demographic means more number of people, and comparatively death you can see very less there. Okay, cool. Now, my dear friend, I hope everybody you are clear. Yeah. Now please go and open the Google Colab. Not Google Colab, Jupyter Notebook. Okay, we are not using deep learning method, so I'm just using Jupyter Notebook. Open Jupyter Notebook, guys. Amol, here what data authentication you will do it? Yeah, simply you have seen the Chinese data, right? China data, is it true? Everybody knows that. But do you have any, will you claim? You will just trust on the data set only. In Indian government also, you have seen how worse situation happened that time, right? Especially some of the city guys. And government is not reporting. They're state government, they are reluctant to share the actual data set. So whatever available, we have to plan accordingly only. Understood? Wave scrapping. Sreshta Datta. Yes, Sreshta, please go ahead.
Then I just have a small question. Like, sir, downloading data from Kaggle is also known as web scrapping.
No, no, no. That is available data, no, in
Yes, sir.
CSV format and Excel. So that is just you have a case study, you can download and just perform it. That is not wave scrapping. That is your general ML problem.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Wave scrapping means this
Mhm.
website. I can go and fetch all the table. You have seen no table I have shown you.
Yes, sir. This worldometer one.
Worldometer, COVID data set, this one.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is called your web scrapping.
Okay.
The
Acha.
task I'm saying, please go and fetch all the data in your system. You are not supposed to copy it. You can try, you will not able to copy it.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, sir.
And
Yes,
there
sir.
are lots of challenge there. You can see plus there. Have you seen any data set plus comma
No,
is
sir.
there? Will you do algorithm? So
No.
data is very clumsy. Anything
Mm.
you will do in website, no, you can extract it. That will come as a string value only. So you have to convert it.
Okay, sir. Got your point. Thank you, sir.
No problem. My dear friend, everybody, are you with me? Shall I start? Very interesting topic, guys, and new things also. If you guys have already learned, very good. Then again, I'm picking some new case study. First time, then of course, it's interesting for you. So I'm picking few more, website. One website, guys, is very popular called IMDb top movies. Okay, 250 movies data. So this is one data set, right? Where we have these top 250 movies there. Why I'm doing this one? So that I can show you what is the meaning of 250. Okay, I use the 200 words. What is meaning of 200, whether they have given permission or not. Another data set, my friend, you have seen worldometer, this data set. And the third data set, you can say ambition box data set. Okay, this is the website, guys, ambitionbox.com, or you can say company list dot company list. So this is the list of companies. These are the data set there. Okay, I'm just picking, these are the data set. So here you will see what happened, whether this website is giving permission or not, here permission or not, and the simple one, permission or not. Any website you will go, and also side by side you can open our website called Learnbay, right? Learnbay. This one also you can download, open it. Okay, so this is the Learnbay website there. Now, if you can go in any website, guys, any website, just right click, and you can see here view page source and inspect. Just click on the view page source. When you click it, you are getting HTML format. Are you able to see that HTML format? That website is actually written on the HTML format, guys. All my friend, here I'm going, I'm DB dataset. Right click, view page source. My dear friend, can I say we are getting HTML format? Just wait. It's not coming. Can you guys check, guys, whether you have, now it came. Okay, system is slow. So see, I'm getting HTML format, my friend. Again, it gone somewhere. Now you can go here in this COVID dataset, right click. You can just say view page source and you will get HTML format, guys. Sambit sir, what happened? Why you guys? Go ahead. Not started asking question. Go ahead, Sambit.
Sir, suppose there are some pictorial data. Suppose you open the Learnbay website. Okay, so there are some pictorial data that it is offering 50,000 or course fee or 1 lakh, something like that.
That also you will extract.
So
that also you can extract. Picture you wanted.
That is what I want to know.
Picture you wanted, video you want, everything we can do it, but little advanced. You have to know computer vision. You have to know some advanced algorithm. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Right now I'm not teaching that part, how you will extract the video, speech, right? But price and all that you can easily get it. Whatever the given browser there, you can download all this thing. It's possible you can do it. Okay. Guys, are you with me, everybody? You can see any website you can go. Just right click and view source code. You will get this one. So when you do a web scraping, actually we are extracting this information. Yeah. Now you can ask question. Do I need to learn web HTML also? I hope, guys, you have learned in your school days. If not, my suggestion is no need to learn, guys. Okay, unnecessary. Don't spend time. If you already know, very good, amazing. Okay, it will help you a lot. If you don't know, then you don't have that much time, guys, to learn all this thing. My simple suggestion is, all of you, don't waste your time in the HTML. We already have, you can see the website. We already have amazing course there. So why not I can give focus here, generative AI, chat GPT. Yes or no? We have amazing llama model, large language model. So many things came, guys. Why not you will invest their time? Why I will give a focus unnecessary in HTML, older code and all. Yeah. Or also you are not looking for job for web developer or like that, right? You are looking job for data scientist, machine learning engineer, NLP engineer, deep learning engineer, business intelligence. So no need to learn. But if you know, that is the advantage for you. Now you can say those They are not, aware of this HTML language. What happened? I'll teach you whatever the requirement there, guys, that it suffice to do your job. Okay, cool, everyone. Now, my first task is I have to extract all the top 250 movies from this website. Okay, what you do, first thing first, you have to import the basic package, guys. Okay, first part, you have to go and import the basic package. So you can see here, import operating system, import numpy as np, import request, and import, or you can say from bs4, import beautiful soup. Beautiful soup. Okay, this is the package, guys. Request means permission. Permission. You are checking their permission is given or not. And beautiful soup is, guys, web scraping package. Web scraping package. Are you guys with me? NumPy you already know, OS you already know that. So this is the package there. BS4 means beautiful soup, fourth version, latest version, guys. Okay, you have to go and execute it. Are you guys with me, my dear friend? Reddy Srinivas. Yes, Reddy Srinivas, please ask, sir.
Yes, we also have selenium.
That is also there. That is also there. Sometime what happens, sir? You have 500 pages there. Let's say this one. List of companies there. If I say page, okay. If I say page equal to 1, this is one page. Now I'm writing here page equal to 100 page. Can I say page 100 also came?
Yes.
If I write here page number 400 page, can I say 400 page also came?
Yes, yes.
If I say here 500 pages, so 500 page means that much company listed there. Now if I say here 600 page, now what happened? It's showing page not found, 404. Means that means we have limited 500 page. I found it. You can search 500 to 600, how many pages there. Now, by the help of Beautiful Soup, you can get all the data. But sometime I told you, no, per system, they are not giving a permission to extract all the data. How you will do it? And that is not something, sensitive data, which publicly available, that data only you wanted. They have a website, publicly it's available. You can read all the information, but they are not giving permission to extract the data. Means view source code, you cannot take it. Understood? This permission they have denied it. How you will do it? Then my friend, you can go Cerelium and page by page you can take it. Understood? So that is also one of the options there. Very good. Appreciate you aware. Have you worked any project on Cerelium?
I didn't work. I have gone through some videos.
Okay.
Long back.
That also possible. So if I get time, no, I will teach you that part also. How you will go and pick the data set. Not with this project, but of course in the another project, I'll teach you that part also. Okay, guys, that thing only I can promise. But if I have a bandwidth, then tomorrow I'll see whether I can help you or not. Fine. Chalo. Any other questions, guys? Anyone? Till here, my friend, you are with me. Can you use chat window? Yes, so far so good. Rahul is asking, sir, how is different the data mining? What does the include? Just collecting data? It said mining, or different things are there? Data mining is something, no, Rahul, unsupervised machine learning, gathering the information, then grouping them, not predicting something. Like you are building a recommendation system. You are not predicting, you are just giving offer. Now your choice whether you buy this product or not, but they are just giving offer. If you buy it, you will get certain % discount. That is called data mining. Okay. Here we are just gathering the information. After that, you have to decide whether I have to do predictive modeling or data mining. It's up to you. So let's say Amazon, you go in the Amazon website, you fetch all the product data. Now, if you're grouping them, that is called data mining. If you're predicting what would be the sales price, how many revenue we can generate, how many sales happen, that is called predictive modeling. Understood? There are so many options there. Who is asking what is the name? Priyans, right? Yes, Priyans, there are so many options there. I told you, no, if you know computer vision and all, you can do beyond these things also. Okay, that is also very easy for you. Mohit is saying, sir, stock market prediction project next time. We'll do it. Time series forecasting is mandatory for everyone. Yeah. Can we get some data from SEBI? SEBI is what? SEBI is a regulatory body. You can say, can I get the stock market data? Then you can say yes. You can go in Yahoo Finance. You can get all stock value and all. You can go Tingo. That is possible. You can extract the data. But SEBI is what? SEBI website you wanted to go. That is regulatory body who is controlling the these things, just like RBI. RBI is a controller for bank. Okay. Sir, please try to take selenium also. Okay, sir. Noted. Priyansi, I was trying to scrap one website data, but I couldn't. Okay. Have you written code? Or just you are using the application? Application, whatever the application they have written, actually backend. Okay. I was using selenium. Very good. Very good. When I cover, sir, you can ask, sir. Okay. Maybe I'll guide you. Guys, can we focus on this topic only? Rather, you can asking other thing. Everyone. Yeah, please focus, guys. Otherwise, I'm deviating. No. I have a habit. I cannot ignore the questions. And then if you ask something and if I not respond, then I feel not okay. So guys, now next part, what you have to do, you can go in this website. Let's say I'm picking this website. Okay, this is the website there. Now you
Hello.
can go. Yes.
There is a typo error, sir. Web scraping has been written as webscaping.
No problem. Where is ready? I'm just unmuting. Suddenly you said hello and you
No.
Okay.
Right next to beautiful soup, you have seen a hash and webscaping. It's written.
This one you're saying, you can type, you can correct it. Okay.
I cannot type it, sir. You have to type it.
Guys, my friend, are you with me? This makes sense, no? Even I'm not writing it, just I have written. So guys, now what you have to do, you can say URL equal to, you have to just type here this one. Okay, this is the website. I wanted to extract all the data. So first, when you take this website, you can see whether permission is granted or not. So you can take a request. Okay, so what you do here, you can say request dot get, and you have to pass here URL. Press enter. Guys, what happened? What it's saying? 403. Are you guys with me? They are saying 403. Permission is not given. Are you with me? Now go here. Take this data set. Countries. URL 1 equal to this. Then you can say request.
Excuse me,
URL.
sir.
Yes.
Can you send that site in the chat group because I'm not getting what is that exactly?
Can take this one. Okay, this is one website. This is another website. This is another website. Okay, let's say page number. I'm writing here 1. All right, 3 website I have taken. Learnbay you already have.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Now, if I execute this one, you can see what happened. Guys, are we getting response 200? Are you clear? 200 means you have a permission. You can go and fetch the data and then you have to analyze it. Are you clear what is meaning of response code 200 and 403? What I was speaking earlier? Yeah. So to see this part, you have to decide whether we have a permission or we don't have permission. and accordingly you have to go and do it. Similarly, my friend, come here, this one, check this URL 2 equal to this, and then copy paste 2 403. See here also it's 403 they have given. Are you guys with me, guys? My dear friend, means permission not given. What about our website, Learnbay? They have given permission or not? What about our website, guys? Learnbay. Permission is given. Okay, happy guys? Now please tell me, can I pick both case? 403 also, how you will extract the data even though permission is not given? And can I teach you how we'll get the data for 200 as well? Come on.
Yes, sir. It will be helpful if you teach both.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have one question that in ambition
See,
box
you
you
are
have.
taking advantage, sir. I unmuted, you are asking question. Raise hand and then ask question. So next time I
Okay,
will
sir.
not unmute you. Ask, go
So,
ahead.
so I have that one question that in ambition box you have page the page one,
Ah.
right? So do we like in web scraping also do we have to like if we want to do some like search some website, so we have to page by page wise data, right? Like
All
in
data I will take it. This one. That's why I have taken this ambition data set. No, how many pages there? 500 pages. All data I will extract, sir. What you are
okay.
talking? I'll
So
teach you this part.
no, that is what I'm asking.
Sir, I know your feeling. No, I know your feeling. I'll do it. When you attend the session, you have to get something interesting. No, one page is okay. Can I do all 500 pages? Then web scrapping actually benefit. No, we'll teach you. We'll use loop function. If you do one page, you can do 500 pages. Hardly matter for us. Just I will use the for loop. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Sir. I thought like we have to fetch the every page wise, so that is why.
No, sir. I will write. I will teach you one page thoroughly, and then all pages at one go, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. I am with you, sir. Why you are worried? My dear friend, are you guys with me till now? Please tell me. So can I do first part, guys? First part where I can, we have information given 200. Can I fetch this data set? See, this one also I did it. IMDb, they have given 200 only. Now they have changed 403 because lots of people, they are going on this website and fetching the data. That's why they did it. Okay. But earlier, I have seen it's given 200 only. But now they mention 403 because lots of people, they are going and just utilizing it. That's why. So guys, there is a solution there. Okay. Whenever you get such information, there is a information there. I'm sharing that with you all. I have taken from different source, and this is the link there, guys. This is the link there. You have to write this information. You can see this is the link there. Like that, so many options there, my friend. Whenever you get this part, you can say header equal to simply you have to copy paste this one. Okay, this is the link there that you have to remember. Are you guys with me, my dear friend? Okay, I'm just sharing this link with everyone. Please take a note and save it somewhere so that whenever you don't have permission and all, you can take it. It's a kind of token, guys. So what happened, this when you apply this one, machine can think that it's not automation, someone intentionally taking this information. Okay, otherwise machine can think that, okay, lots of people automatically, some information is taken from this system, so that's why they put a 403. So this will enable your machine that, okay, intentionally I'm taking because information is given and I'm doing for learning purpose, so I'm taking this information. So it's kind of token. Okay, you have to do it. Are you guys with me, my dear friend? Please tell me yes, no. Everyone? Yeah. So you have to write this part, guys. Next thing, what you have to do, you can say here, wave page equal to request. Here you can say, copy this. You can say request dot get parenthesis bracket copy paste. Okay, and here guys you have to write headers equal to headers. This headers equal to headers, and then you can say dot text. Okay, press enter. So headers is not defined. I have to run this one, and now you can execute this. Okay, this is coming fine, guys. Are you guys with me now? You can say here soup equal to beautiful soup, beautiful soup. Or let me write this one, guys. First I wanted to show you this. When I'm doing it, I'm not getting any error here, right? You can see earlier. See, I'm getting the information, guys. Are you guys with me? Are you getting the information now? Everybody, whatever the HTML there, are we getting this information? Everyone?
Sir, I am getting one error.
What error, ma'am?
That header means we have to execute that first, no?
First you have to execute and then write header equal to header.
Okay, sir.
So you can see exactly same thing I'm getting here, which is given here, guys. It's written here. You can see document HTML, lang, English, US, all information I'm getting here. Document, HTML, lang, English. Are we getting all information, guys? Whatever given here? Tell me yes or no. So please remember 403, if you get if you extract the data, you are writing request get and your permission denied, it's coming 403. That means is really they don't want someone come and fetch the data, or this is just they said that any automation tool they will go and fetch the data. What actually happened? Lots of people they are doing it, that's why they put this part. So you can try by this code, guys. We are getting it. Okay, we are happy. We can take the data. Now you can go easily and you can fetch the data, my dear friend. Now there is no problem at all. So you can say here beautiful soup, beautiful soup. You can say soup equal to beautiful soup. And then, my dear friend, here you have to write this part. You have to say here wave, or you can just write here HTML. Okay, HTML equal to this. So I'm getting here this HTML. Now you can see HTML. All right, HTML dot text data, or text already I have given. So you can say just HTML, and then the format you can say LXML, or even if you don't write anything, you can just go HTML. That's it. And now you can say soup, press enter. See, guys, you will get all the information in your system. Okay, all information in your system. All right, everything I'm getting here. You can see all part I'm getting here, guys. All right. Are you guys with me, my dear friend? Now you can say I'm interested to see the title of this part. You can say soup dot find title, and then say get text. Execute this. My friend, can I say this is the title coming? IMDb top 250 movie. IMDb top 250 movie. Yes or no? You can go here. You can say soup dot find all, and you can see here header 1. Okay. You can see this is what the header 1 is coming, HTML format, and this is IMDb movie and then close the HTML. This is the process, guys. If you know HTML format, this is the way we are writing it. H1 header 1 class equal to IPC title text chart layout. This is the format there. This is what I said. No need to learn all this thing. You can do it simply. Okay, you have to write it. You can say IMDb top 250 movie. My intention is, guys, I wanted to extract this information, this movie information. So if you go here, just right click and click on the inspect button. You can see inspect button. So I'm getting here all the part link HTML here in the same page. Now, if you click this, right click, inspect this button, what happened? This highlighted here, this highlighted here. And what it's saying, guys, you can see this part is saying H3 class equal to IPC title text 1, the Sasank redemptions, right? Movies 3 detail is coming. Similarly, you can go the Godfather, click this inspect button. The time I did inspect button, guys, you can see this is again saying H3 IPC title this, the Godfather this, something is coming, right? Now, what we have to do here, go here, say title list equal to, say here soup dot find all, parenthesis bracket, you can say what is the title distributions there, you can say equal to curly braces class. Okay, and then you can say class equal to title column, and then you have to write here title list. Execute this, type non-type object callable, soup find all, ed, or I'll do one thing, go in the website. Premchand, I can see you have raised hand. Just wait, my friend, I'll unmute you. So class equal to is given, this one, the part headed 3 division equal to this IPC title text. So let me write it here, IPC title underscore underscore text. Let me copy this, paste here. If I say this point, none type, it's none type header 3. If I write H3, why it's not taking? If I go this header equal to IPC title this chart, so IPC this class equal to this header 1, header 1, then type is coming.
So find all. So there's an issue in find all. So I mentioned it in the chat also.
Find all is not working.
So I have written this code like soup.find hyphen all, then
small
no
letters.
error is coming.
You have written
Okay.
F in capital.
Oh, sorry, my mistake. Yeah, so it's coming now. H1. Now if I write H3, yeah. So see, guys, when I write H3, right, you can see here, when I click this button, what happened? It's coming H3. Are you able to see my cursor? H3 header 3 class equal to IPC title text. So I wanted everywhere. You can just click here, the Godfather part 2. Inspect. Okay, which data you wanted, you have to just click it. When I click here, my friend, again saying header 3 class equal to this and Godfather part 2. That's everywhere this part is written in header 3. You can see if I write header 2, then what happened? If I write header 2, then what happened? Is there any? Header 2 is coming blank. Okay, so header 3, I'm getting that information. Everybody, all my friend, you are with me? Now what you do, you can extract all the data. See here, I got the information here. IMDb chart, here the movie 1, movie 2, movie 3, movie 4, all information. But it's coming in HTML format. Can I say this is HTML format, guys? This part and this part? Left side, this part is HTML before this part, and this part is HTML. Yes or no? So I want to clean that. How you will do it? You can go, you can write here for title in title list, in title list, and then equal to, you have to say print title dot get text data. Only give me the text, remaining any HTML there, remove it. Guys, are we getting all the movie detail with clean data? Please tell me. All 250 data, are you getting or not? 250 Drishyam. You have rated more explored chart, box this, all information is coming, top 250, TV shows, lowest rate, all this thing, but you can see all clean data, you are getting it. Come on, my dear friend. Now you have a proper information or not? Yeah. Simple or difficult, guys? How you will extract the data? How you will take it? Anywhere you want to take a data, what you do, you can go here in this website, anything you wanted to take. Let's say I wanted to take this data, right click, okay, and then inspect the button, and you can see what is coming here. So here also header 3 is coming, you know, iPad title this. That is why first IMDb chart is coming. You can see when I have extracted data, IMDb chart, header 3 it is coming. You can say I'm interested to see this one, IMDb, right click, inspect the button, and what is coming here, guys? Header 1 is coming. See, when I click highlighted here, left side header 1, IPC title text, no chart layout is coming. You have to take this information. Simple or difficult? Come on, my friend. Will you try this? This is just a basic things I told you. Yeah, very basic, simple. Yeah.
Sir, I am getting error over there. Headers now. That
You are getting error, then you have not copy
yeah.
paste correctly then.
No, the same thing, whatever you told. HTML is equal to request dot get, and then that link, then headers equal to headers dot text. But there I am getting error, request not an unexpected keyword argument, something like that.
Request you have to write TS. Have you written
Not
request?
not request. S is not needed.
Oh, you have to write no request.
Okay, let me check. Still it is getting an error. It's showing request is not defined because we already use
I'll
request.
do one thing. I'll share this code with you. You can try. If
Okay,
still
sir.
it not working, maybe I'll help you then. I'll
Okay,
see
sir,
what is
thank
the
you.
problem. Then you can share your code. Okay,
Okay, sir.
first you do it, and same error message,
Yes, sir.
with error message you have to share with me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you're there on LinkedIn, right?
Yes, sir.
Now guys, some friends raised hand. Premchand, you have raised for long time. Preeti, you have raised long time. Yes.
Hey Kumar,
Unmuted. Yes.
hello?
Problem. I am also
Yes,
facing.
Premchand, go ahead.
No, just want to know that there are only two codes, right? Kumar 403 and 200. Any the responses for that?
Anything 400, 402, 403 will come. That means permission denied.
Okay.
Most of the time you will get 403, sir. In
Okay.
403, what you do, you can just apply the headers equal to what link I have given. If that is also not given, that means intentionally they wanted, nobody can fetch my data. Then, sir, you are doing, if then still you go, you have to know the unethical approach, hacking, sir. Offline, you have to connect. I will teach you. Okay.
But this code is doing right, Kumar, like whatever you gave in the headers, is doing it right.
Yeah. So that means this permission, this website, just they hold it, because lots of people, they are coming and they are taking the data.
Okay.
Right? So they just put a permission denied.
Mhm.
So how to crack this? That's what I have given this link. Clear?
Yeah, thanks.
Guys, everybody, all my friend, are you with me till now? So far, so good? Tell me yes, no. Now come back to here. Can I pick this one, guys? This is coming 200. Can I pick 200? And then tomorrow I'll pick this one, ambition, because here 500 pages there. Lots of code we have to write. Can I pick this